Concrete is everywhere. It's the backbone of our modern infrastructure. We use it to build houses, schools and hospitals, bridges, highways and roads. It's a fundamental part of our daily lives. It's strong and can be shaped in many ways. From simple blocks to intricate designs, this makes it a favorite for builders and architects alike. Many people think concrete lasts forever. It seems so solid and unbreakable. But is this true? Let's find out. Concrete is popular because it is quite affordable. Compared to other building materials, it is relatively cheap to produce. The raw materials are abundant and easy to source. This makes it a cost-effective option for large and small projects. Whether it's a massive skyscraper or a simple driveway, its versatility is another reason for its popularity. From sidewalks to skyscrapers, concrete is everywhere. Concrete adapts to various needs and can be used in countless applications. This widespread use makes us think it's super strong and long-lasting. But is it really as durable as we believe? However, even concrete has weaknesses. Over time, it can crack and deteriorate. Concrete might seem indestructible, but that's not entirely accurate. While incredibly durable, it's not immune to damage. Think of it like this: even the strongest superhero has a weakness. Concrete's weakness lies in its reaction to its surroundings and how it's treated. Just like humans, concrete can be affected by its environment. Factors like the weather, the ground it sits on, and even what's in the air can cause wear and tear. Understanding these factors helps us use concrete more effectively. Nature can be harsh on concrete. One major enemy is salt water. If you've been to the coast, you've seen what salt water does to metal. It makes it rust. Salt water does something similar to concrete, slowly eating away at it. Extreme temperatures are another challenge. Concrete expands when it's hot and contracts when it's cold. These constant changes can cause cracks. Even humidity plays a role. High humidity can lead to mold and mildew growth, which can weaken the concrete over time. Human actions and concrete's lifespan. Believe it or not, we humans can shorten concrete's lifespan too. Our actions, whether intentional or accidental, play a significant role in determining how long concrete structures last. One way is through poor installation. Imagine baking a cake. If you don't use the right ingredients or don't mix them properly, the cake won't turn out right. It might collapse or taste terrible. It's the same with concrete. The process of mixing and pouring concrete is delicate and requires precision. The right mix of cement, water and aggregate is crucial for its strength. Each component must be measured accurately and mixed thoroughly. If it's not mixed well, or if it's not allowed to cure properly, the concrete won't be as strong. It might develop cracks or a powdery surface. Another mistake is neglecting maintenance. Over time, environmental factors like weather and usage can wear down concrete. Just like our cars need regular checkups and cleaning, so does concrete. Regular inspections and timely repairs can significantly extend its lifespan. By taking care of concrete structures, we ensure they remain safe and functional for many years to come. A concrete future: innovation and care. While concrete has its weaknesses, the future looks bright. The construction industry is on the brink of a revolution, with new technologies and materials transforming how we build. Scientists and engineers are developing new types of concrete that are even more durable and sustainable. These innovations are not just about strength but also about reducing the environmental impact of construction. Imagine concrete that can heal itself like a wound. This isn't science fiction, it's becoming a reality. That's the idea behind self-healing concrete. This innovative material can significantly extend the lifespan of structures, reducing maintenance costs and improving safety. It contains special bacteria that activate when water seeps into cracks, producing a substance that fills the gap. This process mimics natural healing, making the concrete more resilient. Another exciting development is recycled concrete aggregate, or RCA. This approach is a game changer for sustainability in construction. Instead of throwing away old concrete, it's crushed and used as aggregate in new concrete mixes. This not only conserves natural resources but also reduces the carbon footprint of new construction. This reduces waste and the need to quarry new materials. By recycling concrete, we are taking a significant step towards a more sustainable future. We've learned that concrete, while strong, isn't invincible. Over time, it can crack and deteriorate, posing risks to safety and stability. But by understanding its weaknesses and embracing innovation, we can create structures that stand the test of time. The future of construction lies in our ability to adapt and improve. Remember, taking care of our concrete structures ensures they serve us well for generations to come. Regular maintenance and innovative materials are key to a sustainable and resilient built environment.